All right, here's a question where you're asked to rationalize the denominator. All right, so let me rewrite it here. 1 minus root 3 over 3 root 2 minus root 6. Is that right? Yep. Okay, so I know I need to multiply by the conjugate. So the conjugate is 3 root 2 and a root 6, but there's a plus in here, so I have to change that sign. And you multiply the top by the exact same thing. Okay, so now this will be FOIL up top there, and then FOIL on the bottom. Let's do the top first. So 1 times 3 root 2 is 3 root 2. 1 times root 6 would be a plus root 6. Root 3 times 3 root 2. So now the sign will be a negative, and then 3 times 1 is 3, and root 3 times root 2 is root 6. Okay, and then negative root 3 times root 6 would be a negative root 18. I think that's right. Yeah. Okay, over on the bottom. Let's do the bottom in a different color. This times this would be 9 root 4. This times this would be plus 3 root 12. This times this would be a minus 3 root 12. And then this times this would be minus root 36. Okay, feeling pretty good so far. So on the top, well, these things are the same radical, so I can combine them. So it'd be 3 root 2. So this is plus 1 root 6 minus 3 root 6 would be negative 2 root 6. Because you're up 1, you lose 3, negative 2 root 6s. Minus, now 18 I can simplify, because that's the same thing as 9 times 2. I'll finish simplifying on the next step. Over, on the bottom, the square root of 4 is 9, so it'd be 9 times 2. 3 root 12 minus, these cancel. Minus root 36, that comes out even, that's just 6. Okay. Feeling good so far. Let's see what this does. So 3 root 2 minus 2 root 6 minus square root of 9 is 3, and then I'd still be stuck with the 2 inside. Okay, like root 9 is 3 times 3 times 2, so I can bring the 3's out. That's where I got that, and then the 2 stuck inside. Over 9 times 2 is 18. Take away 6. Hey. On the top there, this and this are the same, but different signs. So that's the additive identity. They cancel out. So on the top, I just have negative 2 root 6. And on the bottom, I have 12. Hold on. I can simplify more. So on the top, I have negative 2 root 6. And on the bottom, I can rewrite 12 as 2 times 6. So the 2's cancel. So I'm just left with a negative root 6 over plain old 6. That would be my answer. Hopefully that helps.